Hey folks, today is April 7th. It's currently 9:04, so we're just after the open here. We had a print right here, but market didn't go down to get us filled. We have a low volume node at this point, so we'll see if the market comes down to that. Somebody in the trade room took this trade right here. Basically, we have this low volume node. Market came back up to this level, 51.59, and then as you can see it continued to drop. They made a nice profit on that one. So right now it looks like we're waiting for a long trade here. So hopefully the market will come down to this level here and they continue pushing up. So that's what we're waiting on now. Be back with you guys once it happens, if it happens. Alright guys, I just wanted to show this trade to you. We're going right into this buying zone, so I'm not going to be taking it. As you can see, our first profit target is right above this buying low volume node. It's possible that the market will bust right through this, but it's not a chance I'm willing to take. So we're just going to continue to be patient and see what the market gives us. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you what happened here. As you can see, the market did react to this buy zone rather.
CL scalp trade approaching.
So it's a good thing I didn't enter that trade, and that's why we don't enter trades into buy zones or sell zones. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we've got a pending order here. We'll see if we're able to get filled on this one. As you can see here on the 2-minute, we have a buying low volume node right here, and we're also in the middle of a buy zone. And our first take profit level is at 51.67. We shouldn't have to make a new high to hit that, and it's right beneath our high volume node.
Order filled. Target filled.
Now we'll see if the market's able to break through this level here. It's tried a couple times now and hasn't been able to get through the high volume node. So I doubt it's going to be able
Stop
to.
filled.
So that was just a quick little scalp here, because we haven't had too much of opportunities this morning. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on the next opportunity. Alright guys, I wanted you to see this trade here. We did get a scalp print, and it looks like our selling zone just left us here. This was a selling zone that we had with this node. As you guys can see, the market just popped through it. So that's always a good sign.
Order pending.
And we actually haven't
Order
hit our
filled.
first profit target yet, so we'll go ahead and enter that. We got this low volume node right here. We're in a buying zone. So we'll see what happens here. I didn't notice this high volume node pushed up to 52.09 here. 52.09, that's right there. So we might get some support at that level. And that actually helps us in this case. So we have the high volume node at 52.09. We have a low volume node at 52.06. And we're in the middle of a buying zone. So all these things are good things for us right now. Of course, that's not saying the market won't push through it, because anything is possible. But this right here might also be a level of support. The market chooses to respect it. And I'm guessing we'll get a quick spike in one direction here shortly. Whenever I see the market stutter around like this, I usually end up seeing a quick spike.
CL scalp trade approaching.
It'll either pop down and take us out or pop us back up here past our break-even point. And we have a trailing stop print here telling us to move our stop up 2 ticks. But I'm not going to do that, just in case the market comes down to that level and then reverses back up. I also could have entered on this low volume node at 52.07.
CL scalp trade approaching.
That was a possibility. And my stop would have been down here at 51.97. And we are already past 10 o'clock here, so this will be my last trade. He also gave us a Rinko bar type that we can use, so I'm gonna try adding that to my chart so that we can look at that. Somebody in the room said of the 7 prints that they got on with the Rinko, it was only one loser and all the others
Crude
were
oil
winners.
trade.
So that's a very
Target
very
filled.
good sign. So I'll definitely try to open that up and see what it looks like for us.
CL scalp trade approaching.
One tick away from being stopped out.
Stop filled.
And there it is. If I would have used this low volume node right here, I would have been able to get a few more ticks out of this. I entered at 52.14. Low volume node was at 52.07. So I could have had a potential of 7 more ticks there. Alright, let me pause. I'm going to see if I
CL
can
scalp trade approaching.
add this new indicator, not indicator, but this new bar type that he gave us yesterday. Be back with you guys in one moment. Alright guys, just wanted to show you real quick. We did just get another scalp print. I'm not going to take it. Like I said, I'm done, but first profit target would have been hit on that. And we got this low volume node right here. So another trade that looks pretty good here. I'm not sure if we'll be able to break through the price high for yesterday. Market's come up a couple of times now and touched it and bounced off of it, but it looks like we should be able to push through it here shortly, because it's tested it twice now. Anyway, I'm still trying to upload this software, or this bar type. Be back momentarily. Alright guys, just noticed we had another print here. We just got this print for 5 contracts. Again, that would have went up to just about the second target. This one would have ended up going up to all 3 targets. So the prints are on fire right now. They're actually doing extremely well. The indicator's still downloading here, so just waiting for that to finish up. But if you guys are trading the prints, then you've had several good opportunities to profit today. Okay folks, I think I have it uploaded properly. I'm gonna pull up a chart here and we're gonna see. You can also take note that we ended up getting one more print here. Would have gone up to the first profit target. So that is obviously a good thing. And now we're going to see what this new chart pattern looks like here. Should be CL 515. Let me just pull it up here. I'll worry about this later. Let's just get a chart up. Alright, we have a regular chart here. Let's go into, it should be bar type. And it should be a type of Rinko. Here's Rinko, but it's not the one I'm looking for here. That's bar width. That's not it. Alright, let me pause it and ask the vendor what it should be under. Hold on one moment. Alright guys, I talked to the vendor. He said it should be under SVE Renko, but I'm not showing it here. So I'm going to try and figure this out and hopefully have it set up so we can look at it tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video.